A very good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Chetan Motwani, Assistant Professor, Food Production and Patisserie Department from Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under Jagrup Singh Charitable Trust, Thakur Shamnaran Degree College, would like to welcome you all back from the lunch session. We are now going to felicitate the various awards given to students and faculties. Please join me in felicitating the winners. The best research topic is awarded to Mihir Kanswal for his topic Cloud Kitchen and its growth in modern times. The best presentation is been awarded to Jasmeet Kaur Kalsi for menu development and technology in events. Best woman researcher has been awarded to Karuna Dubey for the importance of formal invitations in events. Best Young Researcher is been awarded to Anjum Badigar for her topic, the event planning and management. And the Best Paper Presentation Award faculty is awarded to Mrs. Nandini Roy, and her topic is A Soldier Housekeeping, post COVID-19. Thank you so much for joining me. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Ashish Nevgi to carry on with this presentation.
Greetings of the day to one and all present here. Respected Principal Dr. Sharath Fulari Sir, our Honorable Resource Person, Chief Guest and Keynote Speaker, Professors, students, participants, attendees and all dignitaries as well as industry professionals and all my dear students, parents and my colleagues. My heartiest welcome to all of you on behalf of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under Jagrup Singh Charitable Trust, Thakur Shamnaran Degree College, our national conference on topic of entrepreneurship development conducted by our team member today on 20th December 2021. Myself, Ashish, coordinator of Hotel Management Department of ZSCTS, Thakur Shamnaran Degree College, feel privileged to say few words about entrepreneurship development and organizing this national e-conference. National level e-conference is a platform to bring forth the ideas, visions and proposition of researchers, professionals, academicians, students of institute and department and detailed insight into the topic of discussion. The purpose of e-conference is to invite academicians, research, domain experts, bankers and industry experts to technical aspects along with evolution of an effective regulatory framework in India. National e-conference is a conference where you can present your research paper and is held within your country only. And the only researcher within your country are allowed to present research papers. Journal papers are the research papers being published in journals as a hard copy, while the conference papers may be available online on their database. The conference is dedicated to discussing issues, exchanging of ideas and views towards the advancement of theory and practices in field of commerce and management. All technical sessions will predominantly be related to finance and economics, sales, marketing, human resource and general management. The objective have been outlined as under: to provide a robust platform for expression of interest and cognitive thoughts and promote research among all active participants in the conference, to provide an opportunity to enhance the knowledge and skills to solve business problems and to meet challenge of dynamic decision making in business environment. Third, to discuss the challenges of economic and business reforms. Fourth, to provide an opportunity to participants to upgrade their knowledge in context of global business. You might agree with me that there is very little point in introducing new way of handling conference and its method unless they lead to better learning and teaching. While attending the national conference, you all must be definitely observing the innovation in planning, organizing, handling the conference with the vital role of each specialized department of hotel management, which was possible only because of guiding hand of our principal Dr. Sharath Fulari Sir. And also a special thanks to Nandini Roy ma'am on executing this event in such an orderly manner. At results, we made appreciate our students as per various categories of research papers and their presentation skills. Students of SY BSc Hospitality Studies of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management under ZSCTS Thakur Shamnaran Degree College, Mihir Kanswal, Jasmeet Kaur Kalsi, Dhwani Shah, Sonu Save, Anjum Badigar, Jay Wala, Karuna Dubey, Sainath Kotian, Ayushi Verma. who did the research and case study on the respective topic and tremendously presented skillfully over here when they are just undergraduate students. I definitely feel their job is highly appreciated. Our resource person, chief guest Mr. Satish Fernandez and keynote speaker Mr. Rakesh Roy have shared their experience and efficient knowledge today, which made this conference mesmerizing and uplifted the conference on great level. The conference started with events like welcoming to the financial capital of India, Mumbai, Thakur Education Group, Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College, Thakur Institute of Hotel Management, as well as welcome of our industry expert as resource person. Then few tributes through National Anthem, Ishastavan, Maharashtra Geet, University Song, Mumbai University Song. Conference also continued on with inaugural address by respected principal of Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. Further addressed by our honorable resource person as mentioned earlier. The conference added with paper presentation of Ms. Nandini Roy, Professor of RDM subject, and myself, Ashish Nevgi, Professor and Coordinator of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management on our respective research topic. Bilal Madre sir, Mosina Ansari ma'am, Gaurav Salyan sir, Ashish Bhivase sir, and entire team of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management did a marvelous job of taking this event ahead and keeping the continuity of it. The research paper presentation also awarded and announced in this conference by Chetan Motwani sir, a team member of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management. This is how we TIHM team organized and conducted the National E-Conference today. Hope each one of you will not go empty brain. I wish all must have got crucial information and knowledge from this conference. Now, I won't take much of your time and hand over the session to Nandini ma'am. Nandini ma'am, over to you. Thank you.
Welcome back to Thakur Institute of Hotel Management and the Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College National E-Conference of Entrepreneurship Development. We'd like to give a word of thanks. It's a proud moment to all the team of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management who planned, organized National E-Conference under guidance of our dignified principal, Dr. Sharad Pulari sir. The inspiration, ideas, and thought of conducting National E-Conference is given by none other than our principal sir only. He is the moral support as an iron pillar who always encourages us to stand without any fear of failure. The confidence and the motivation built in us by Pulari sir made us to execute and take this event at the level of success. Thanking sir would be a small gesture, but still will not leave a single opportunity to thank Dr. Sharad Pulari sir, our beloved principal of Thakur Sham Narayan Degree College. I would also like to appreciate our students of S1, NFI BSc Hospitality Studies and Culinary Arts for giving melodious performance of singing the national anthem and the Isha Stavan. Our National E-Conference would have been incomplete without our chief guest, Mr. Satish Fernandez from Sun and Sin Hotel, and our keynote speaker, Mr. Rakesh Roy from Hotel Sahara Star, who were over here as a resource person. Their informative session gave us a great knowledge and tremendous experience that enlightened us and expanded our entrepreneurial thoughts. A big thanks to Mr. Satish Fernandez and Mr. Rakesh Roy for being here and giving their valuable time to us for the session. Nevertheless, students of SY BSc Hospitality Studies made and well presented research papers on their respective topics is the first turning point for their career when they are just undergraduate. High level of appreciation they really deserve for the high level of excellence they have achieved in the research paper presentation. So, thanks a lot all the students of SY BSc Hospitality Studies. At the same time, lots of congratulations to all the students and winners for the best presentation. It also gives a privilege to thank Mr. Gaurav Salyan, Mr. Ashish Bivase, Chetan Motwani sir, Mohsina ma'am for giving the support to take this event ahead. We cannot forget Mr. Ashish Nevgi, course coordinator of Thakur Institute of Hotel Management and Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College. He was the director, writer of this event, as the event cannot be successfully completed without him. So really, it's immense pleasure to thank Mr. Ashish Nehru, Professor of Food and Beverage Department in Hotel Management. Last but not least, I will not conclude the session until I say few words for the delegates. The National E-Conference was organized for you, along with few of you, supported by you, attended by you, and appraised by you. So a big thank you to all the professors, instructors, lecturers, students, participants, attendees who helped us to take this event ahead and conclude it successfully. So thanks a lot, each one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep social distance, and have a nice day. Thank you.